So check this out. We have a baby carrier, and we're putting old man Harry inside the baby carrier. And we have an iPhone planted inside the baby carrier with a baby cry. And we're going to put a blanket over the whole thing.
Is it real? Yeah, it's fine. What is mine?
I'm sorry. Are you alright?
This cannot be real. Oh my God!
That baby quiet.
Yes, is there baby in there? Look at what? No,
I think no one's here with a baby.
I'm trying to...
Is it okay?
I know you. The guy is so funny.
I know. I'm sorry. Are you alright? I'm sorry. Nice to meet you
Come on.
Oh, my God.
Oh, like TV on TV somewhere. Probably.
There's a camera in there.
That's actually mine.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I'm sure we can't have that kicked out now.
Yeah, we can't have that on the front.
All right.